Hi guys, today I've got 3 really quick and easy wedding guest hairstyles for you. To start, we've got a 1-minute messy bun. To start, put the hair into a ponytail. On the last turn of the elastic band, only bring it part way through to create a small loop. Then we're going to take the tail ends and just bring them up to the top of the head. Next, add a clear elastic band to the very end of those tail ends, and we're going to make a hole and pop a couple of fingers through the hole. Twist your fingers back round to the front, grab the loop and bring those ends over the top of the loop. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull every loop and twist of this bun for some more volume, and secure all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. Pinch and pull at the hair around the crown for some more texture. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Moving on to hairstyle number 2, we've got this easy, elegant chignon. To start, pop the hair into a ponytail level with the top of the ears. Then we're going to use our fingers and gently loosen the ponytail by pulling the elastic down a little bit. Next, we're going to pop a finger behind the elastic band, and I'm going to make a hole going diagonally from the left hand side up towards the right hand side of the head. Pop a couple of fingers through that diagonal hole, grab the ponytail and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Next, we're going to add a clear elastic band towards the end of the ponytail, but on the last turn, only pull it part way through to create a small loop. And I'm just going to take hold of this loop and gently roll it up the length of the hair until we reach the left-hand side at the nape of the neck. Use your hand to hold this to the head, and then I'm simply going to pin it through the centre of the loop with a couple of bobby pins on either side. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And last but not least, we've got a 2-minute messy curly bun hairstyle. To start, pop the hair into a high ponytail. Next, add some wax spray all across the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then, using your fingers, gently pinch and pull at the hair for more texture and volume. Now, add a clear elastic band a few inches down the ponytail. And then grab onto each side and gently pull them outwards away from each other. Split the ends of the ponytail in half, and then taking hold of that elastic band, we're just going to roll it towards the head to create a loop, and then secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Pinch and pull at that loop for more texture and volume. And starting on the left hand side with those tail ends, I'm going to leave a little curl out and leave that hanging down. With the rest of the hair, I'm going to sweep this over to the right hand side and then pin it directly underneath that first loop. Again, pinch and pull to match the texture. Now, taking the rest of the hair, again I'm going to leave a curl out hanging down, and with the remaining hair I'm gently going to twist this towards the head and bring it over to the left hand side. Again, secure to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which was your favourite hairstyle in the comments section below.